Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very important and very unique and trendy design ideas will be shared through this video, because in this video I am sharing with you along very stylish, very beautiful, easy to make round neck, boat neck style hand embroidery designs. Yes, you have heard it right. Traditionally designer style necklace hand embroidery design ideas. If you make these design patterns, then you don't need to wear any sort of or any type of pendant, necklace, chain, or whatever you used to wear to enhance the beauty of your necklines, because all of these embroidery patterns are exactly like necklaces, beauty ornaments, and when you make these patterns onto your necklines, they would look extremely exquisite. And you can see that to make them more beautiful, mesmerizing, and eye-catching, a very beautiful and pretty design ideas along with the use of pearls, beads have been used. You can exactly use these color combinations, or you can also change the color combinations depending upon the choice of your colors and the material of the fabric you are going to use. Friends, these designs are very beautiful and eye-catchy, but at the same time they are very easy to make. Yes, easy to make in a sense that whole of these entire neckline patterns require only 1 to 2 embroidery stitches. You don't need or you don't have to mess up yourself with a lot of complex, difficult, messy and heavy neckline or hand embroidery stitching patterns. Friends, where you can make these very beautiful necklines that are purely made by using the art of hand embroidery. So to answer this question, it is very easy and it is very simple, that you can make them for any type of any sort of dress designing. That is, you can make these necklines onto your gowns, maxis, frocks, anarkali suits, Punjabi suits, traditional Indian wear, Pakistani wear, long kurti, short kurti, medium kurti, kameez, even onto your handmade, hand knitted woolen stuffs as well. That is, onto your round necks, high necks, soft blended shirts, kurtis, collar kurtis, band style kurtis, or onto your kalidar frocks. Or even you can also make these very beautiful and easy to make pattern based necklines onto the dresses of your baby girls. If you are a office going person, then you can also make these very beautiful and easy, simple, decent and delicate neckline patterns onto your office outfits as well, because they would go extremely well with your office dress codes. Friends, not only this, from my channel you can get a wide variety of design ideas that is related to women fashion, like dress designing, footwear, handbags, girls fashionable accessories, nail art designs, mehndi designs, jewellery designs, baby frock designing, hand art like hand embroidery, machine embroidery, fabric painting, hand painting, applique, wool applique, mirror work, gota work, saris, traditional Indian wear, western dress designs, Arabic dress designs, Turkish style, western style dress designing, wedding wear, party wear, and much more related to women fashion. So what are you waiting for, friends? If you are watching my video for the first time, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my content for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe right now, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, I have one more simple request to my those friends who are already watching my content, who are already my subscribers, that kindly friends do comment below videos so that we could get ideas of your choices, interests, or if you want to give some opinions, suggestions, or you want us to share ideas and designs for the choices of yours, then do comment below. We will extremely be happy to know about your choices, interests. And friends, kindly make a habit of massively sharing our videos with your friends and family. Kindly friends, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned and stay connected throughout the whole video. You will be overwhelmed and mesmerized to see very pretty and beautiful 75 plus creative and very easy to make hand embroidery neckline design ideas. Yes friends, you have heard it right. All of them are very easy to make, and at the same time they look very trendy and stylish. Friends, if we talk about or go into the depth of these design patterns in terms of hand embroidery stitches, then simply you can use lazy daisy stitch for the smaller flowers and satin stitch for the smaller leaves, or even you can make these smaller leaves with lazy daisy as well. For the smaller filler flowers, bullion knot could be used, and different sorts of beads and sizes of pearls could be used to fill the inner of flowers to enhance the beauty. And similarly, fly stitch could be used for the leaves, leaf fillings, and satin stitch or dotted stitch could be used for filling the lines. See how easy and stylish these patterns are. All of mostly 50% of above the embroidery stitches used in this design collection I have told you, and I have again and again shared my experiences, my opinions with you into my previous videos, and I have made detailed step-by-step tutorials for beginners onto my channel, and I have added these videos into my playlist hand embroidery designs and tutorials. I have taught you how to make French knot, lazy daisy stitch, bullion knot, bead stitch, and some more stitches like fly stitch, chain stitch, all those stitches that are essential for beginners. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We will soon be back along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.